What if a single machine in your garage could turn raw material into steady monthly income without employees, without renting a factory, and without years of experience? Today, I'm showing you 10 real machines you can import from China and use to start a small but profitable business from home. These machines already produce things people buy every day for construction, farming, events, and basic household needs. I'll share what they cost, how they work, and what kind of money they can realistically make. Stay until the end, because one machine on this list, used quietly in rural areas, can generate thousands every month with very low competition. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 1. Low Altitude Fog Machine. This machine looks simple, but it can be a serious moneymaker. A low-altitude fog machine creates thick white fog that stays close to the ground instead of floating away. You've probably seen it at weddings, stage shows, fashion runways, and indoor parties. It instantly makes any event look premium. The way it works is very straightforward. You add distilled water and a special fog fluid. The machine heats it and releases dense fog that spreads across the floor and stays low for a long time. These machines are compact, usually under 10 kilograms, and easy to carry in a car trunk. The import cost from China is usually between $280 and $400. The cost per event is very low, around $3 to $5 for fluid and electricity. Event organizers typically rent this machine for $70 to $150 per day. With just 4 events a month, you can recover your full investment. Some operators make over $1,000 per month by working with DJs, wedding planners, and small event venues. The only real maintenance is cleaning the tank after each use. This is a great option if you want a low-budget, fast-return business that works from home. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 2. Dry Ice Making Machine. This machine is a higher investment, but it offers very strong margins and steady demand. This machine turns liquid carbon dioxide into dry ice pellets or blocks, which are used by cocktail bars, food transport companies, florists, laboratories, and event businesses. The operation is simple. You connect a liquid CO2 tank, the machine compresses it, and dry ice comes out ready to sell. The machine is compact, but it does make some noise, so a garage or small workshop is ideal. The machine cost from China ranges between $3,000 and $5,000, depending on capacity. The production cost is low, often under 20 cents per kilogram, while the selling price is around $1.50 to $2.50 per kilogram. If you produce just 100 kilograms per day, monthly revenue can exceed $4,000 with very healthy profit margins. Many buyers reorder weekly, which makes income predictable. If you already have access to CO2 tanks and local buyers, this machine can become a long-term repeat customer business with fast payback. Number 3. Cardboard Recycling to Cushioning Machine. This is one of the smartest eco-friendly businesses on the list. A cardboard cushioning machine turns used cardboard boxes into protective packaging material that replaces plastic bubble wrap. With plastic restrictions increasing, demand for this product is rising fast. The machine works by feeding cardboard through rotating blades that cut it into flexible strips. The result is lightweight cushioning material, perfect for e-commerce sellers, movers, and online stores. The machine is quiet, compact, and easy to operate from a small space. The import price from China ranges between $450 and $1,200. The biggest advantage is that the raw material cost is almost zero, since cardboard can be collected for free from shops, warehouses, and supermarkets. The selling price is around $1.50 per kilogram. Selling 300 kilograms per month can bring in around $900, and scaling to 1 ton per month can generate $3,000 or more. Businesses love this product because it saves money and helps the environment. You are literally turning waste into profit with very low risk and growing demand. If you think these first machines are impressive, the next ones are used every day on construction sites and farms, and they generate much higher monthly profits with very low competition. Number 4. Barbed wire making machine. This machine is a quiet but powerful business, especially in rural and semi-urban areas. Barbed wire is always in demand for farms, livestock fencing, industrial land, and property security. Once customers find a reliable supplier, they usually keep buying from the same source. This machine works by feeding galvanized wire into an automatic twisting system that forms sharp, evenly spaced barbs. The finished product comes out as long rolls, usually 100 meters each, ready to be sold or installed. The process is fast, consistent, and visually impressive to watch. The import cost from China typically ranges between $1,000 and $4,000, depending on output speed. The production cost per roll is around $5 to $8, mainly for wire and electricity. These rolls usually sell for $25 to $40 each. Producing around 300 rolls per month can generate more than $7,500 in monthly profit, especially if you sell directly to farmers or fencing contractors. Using high-quality galvanized wire is critical because durability builds trust and repeat orders. This is a strong business if you are located near agricultural zones or industrial land. Number 5. Construction stirrup bending machine. This is one of the cheapest machines on the list, but it can generate surprisingly high income. The construction stirrup bending machine turns straight steel rods into perfectly shaped stirrups used in concrete columns, beams, and slabs. Construction sites need thousands of these every month. The machine is fully automatic. You insert the steel rod, and in seconds it cuts and bends it into a uniform stirrup. No skilled labor is needed, and the machine fits easily in a garage or small workshop. Contractors love this because it saves time and manual effort on site. The machine price from China is usually between $400 and $500, making it very accessible. The cost per stirrup is only a few cents. The selling price ranges from 30 cents to 60 cents per unit. With production of around 1,000 stirrups per day, monthly revenue can reach $9,000 to $18,000, depending on demand. Many operators sell directly to site foremen who want fast delivery. If construction activity is strong in your area, this machine offers one of the fastest returns on investment. If you're finding value so far, tap the like button. It helps this video reach more people who want to start a real business with machines like these. Number 6. Chain link fencing machine. This machine is built for consistent long-term demand. Chain link fencing is used everywhere, from construction sites and farms to warehouses, schools, and factories. Demand rarely slows down, which makes this a reliable business. This automatic machine takes rolls of galvanized wire and weaves them into uniform mesh fencing. The process runs continuously, producing long sections of fence with minimal supervision. Watching the wire twist and lock into place is surprisingly satisfying. The import cost from China ranges from $2,500 to $6,500, depending on size and capacity. The production cost is around $2 to $3 per square meter. Finished fencing usually sells for $8 to $15 per square meter. Producing about 500 square meters per month can result in $3,000 or more in monthly profit. The machine does require space for wire reels and finished rolls, but the payoff is steady customers and repeat orders. This machine works best if you have room and access to construction or agricultural buyers. Number 7. CNC plasma cutting machine. This machine is perfect if you enjoy working with metal and want a business with high value output. This machine cuts steel, aluminum, and iron sheets into precise shapes used for gates, railings, industrial parts, and decorative panels. Many small workshops outsource this work, which creates constant demand. The process is impressive but simple. You load a metal sheet onto the table, select or upload a design, and the plasma torch cuts the shape using a powerful electric arc and compressed gas. The cuts are clean and accurate, even on thick metal. The import price from China ranges between $1,000 and $4,000, depending on table size and power. The cost per piece is usually under $1, including gas and electricity. Finished parts often sell for $15 to $40 each, depending on complexity. Producing just 5 pieces per day can generate around $2,000 to $3,000 per month. Some operators earn more by supplying local metal shops and contractors. You will need good ventilation because of smoke and sparks, but if you have a garage or workshop, this machine can create long-term customers and steady income. Number 8. Lace and rope making machine. This machine produces one of the most basic but always needed products. Laces and ropes are used for shoes, bags, backpacks, home decor, agriculture, and packaging. Demand never really disappears, which makes this a stable textile business. This machine works by feeding multiple spools of thread into a braiding system. The threads twist together at high speed to form uniform cords. You can adjust thickness, color, and material depending on customer needs. The output is continuous and easy to cut to length. The machine cost from China typically ranges between $1,000 and $3,000, depending on capacity. The raw material cost is low, usually around 3 to 5 cents per meter. The selling price ranges from 20 cents to 50 cents per meter. With regular orders, monthly net income can reach $1,000 or more, and it can increase significantly if you supply shoe stores or textile factories. Using good quality thread is very important because durability keeps customers coming back. Number 9. Broom handle making machine. This machine is not exciting, but it is extremely reliable. Broom handles are replaced constantly in homes, offices, schools, and cleaning companies. This creates steady demand all year round. The machine takes wooden planks or small logs and processes them step by step. It peels the wood, smooths the surface, and cuts it into uniform sticks. What goes in rough comes out clean and ready to sell. The process is fast and surprisingly satisfying to watch. The import cost from China ranges between $800 and $4,000, depending on output capacity. The production cost per handle is around 20 to 30 cents. The selling price is usually close to $1 per unit. Producing 1,000 handles per month can generate around $1,000 in revenue, and scaling up with distributors can push monthly earnings to $4,000 or more. You will need space for wood storage and waste management, but in return, you get a low-stress business with predictable income. The final machine on this list isn't flashy, but it's the one serious manufacturers quietly scale with. Number 10. Vertical injection molding machine. This machine is a powerful option if you want to manufacture small plastic parts in large quantities. This type of machine is widely used to produce electrical components, cable clips, phone accessories, packaging parts, and small industrial items that are ordered again and again. The working process is very practical. Plastic granules are poured into a hopper where they are heated until melted. The melted plastic is then injected into a closed mold under pressure. After cooling for a few seconds, the mold opens and a finished part comes out, ready for packing or delivery. One operator can manage the entire process. The machine cost when importing from China usually ranges between $2,000 and $3,500. You will also need molds, which typically cost $200 to $500 per mold, depending on complexity. The cost per piece is low, usually between 5 cents and 15 cents. These parts often sell for $1 to $3 each. Producing around 200 pieces per day can generate $6,000 to $12,000 per month in revenue. Good ventilation is important because of heat, and it is smart to secure repeat customers before investing in multiple molds. This machine is ideal for mid-range budgets and serious home-based manufacturing. You've now seen 10 real machines that can turn raw materials into products people already buy every day. Some cost under $500, others require a higher budget. But every machine on this list has one thing in common: real demand and real earning potential. The key is choosing a machine that matches your budget, your space, and the customers around you. If you want more videos like this, covering machine costs, profits, and real-world use cases, Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Comment below which machine fits your situation best, and if you're starting from a garage or small workshop. Share this video with someone who's serious about building a low-risk business from home.